Majodina uphenywa mitimba lemithathu lehlukene. Kwekucala lilunga lephalamende leANC Lawrence McDonald umvulele icala lenkhohlakalo yemaphoyiseni. Kwesibili lelinye lilunga leANC ephalamende Mervyn Dirks naye ufake sikhalo kumvikeli wephakatsi. Kwekugcina Majodina utophinzilitwa ngemibuto likomiti lekutiphatsa. Indvodzana yaMajodina yanikwa ithenda lebuya ehhovisi laMajodina yekuthi yanikete emagala alenhlangano ematemomitha emali lengetulu kwetinkhulungwane letingemashumi temarandi. Kulesikhalo lesibikwe kumvikeli wephakatsi Dirks uthi Majodina uphule umthetho ngekukhipha lethenda wakhwabanisa iphalamende nebakhokhi bentsela. Majodina usola ngeucasha untfwana wakhe kulihhovisi lakhe.
This is an opportunity for the ANC leadership to prove to the country and its membership that they are serious about dealing with nepotism, malfeasance and unethical behavior against any of its members found wanting, and not just a tool to be used in fighting factional battles. The ANC needs to act decisively.
In this context, we've decided that we report the allegedly crime of corruptions and fraudulence, and as well as nepotism that might have been committed by the chief whip of the majority party in parliament, Pemmy Majodina. We know that the law demands of us that we need to be able to report the minute we become aware or suspect that anyone would have committed crime.
Yeah, I think this is an interesting development simply because this is a person that I presume is close to the president or close to the CR17 camp. There's no way she would have been appointed to that position had she not had a relationship with the president or the CR17 camp.
Lokhulumela lalososwebhu weANC nomfanelo kodwa akafuni ukuphawula ngetinsolo labukene nato Majodina.